Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a hot day, so we've decided to go down to the beach. And yeah, so basically the next clip is me in the water. It is zoomed in, so it's a little bit of a bad quality, but it is just me in the water, basically playing around the water because I was really bored. So enjoy. That was supposed to be funnier. Okay, so we're going to be at the beach for about another 20 minutes and then we're going to go in the ocean and then we're going to leave and we're going to get some fish and chops. Yeah. I want to go in the water now, but I'm not bothered to go in and then get out and then get dry. So, yeah. And I'm also sorry about that last clip. That last clip was supposed to be funny, but it just turned out just bad, I guess. I don't know. We just got back from the beach and now instead of getting fish and chips, we decided to get sushi. And so we're on our way to sushi now. And yeah.
Got some vitamin D.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin D.
What's
Vitamin D is from the sun.
What's vitamin E?
Vitamin C is orange.
No, orange. What about vitamin
E is like
E?
my skin, I think.
I'm so confused. I'm so tired.
Funny.
Hey guys, so I just got back from Miranda. I had a shower and we got some sushi. And I also got a smoothie with that as well. And there is basically nothing else for me to vlog about today. I'm sorry if this turns out short, but I have to upload this today, and so I'm basically just going to end this here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!